so I've already made my pumpkin muffins, and if you didn't see that video, make sure to go back and watch that. But this is part 2 of that video, and this time we are going to use a perfectly moist spice cake by Duncan Hines with bananas. I like to freeze my bananas when they get too dark for me. I don't like a really dark banana, and I use them in banana bread or recipes like this. So I have got about 1.5 cups of frozen bananas that I mashed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the bowl. Now I know those bananas don't look pleasant, but it's okay. I've done this lots and lots of times. You can use those bananas for banana bread and all kinds of recipes. And you save a little money. Maybe not a lot, but you save a little. At least that way you're not wasting anything. But if you want fresh bananas, you go out and buy you some fresh bananas. I've used them too in this, and I use about 2 or 3 bananas. Now we're gonna add this perfectly moist spice cake. These are so good. And again, you don't have to break out the mixer, just mix this up by hand. Now we're gonna add an egg. And I do take the calaza out. It bakes like a hard-boiled egg, and you don't want to find that in your baked goods. Get that egg mixed really well in there. Now I've already sprayed some cooking spray in each one of these little muffin holes, and I'm going to take about 2 teaspoons of this mix and put it in each little muffin hole. Okay, this is only going to make 37 muffins, but that's okay. No big deal. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. And voila, there you go. Banana spice muffins, yum. We're gonna set these right here and let these cool off for about 15 minutes. If you make these, what are some of the combinations that you use? I love making these and playing around with different cake mixes and different kinds of, I guess you could say, fruits like pumpkin or banana. You watched the other video where I made the pumpkin muffins. They are so good, they're my favorite. And I've got some other tips for you in that video as well. But I'm gonna share another tip with you on this video. If some of you hate these pans and don't use them because you hate to clean them, I get it, I really do. But I have found the easiest way to clean these pans are with a bottle scrubber, like a baby bottle scrubber. This fits perfectly in those little muffin holes. I haven't found that it scratches my pan either. I can't believe I got all of these muffins made before that baby woke up. Now I'm gonna let these cool off, and y'all have a good day.